Hi everyone, I'm Katie McGehee, and many of us have heard that stem cells could be the next big thing in medicine. However, do we really know what stem cells are or what they're capable of? Stem cells are undifferentiated cells of a multicellular organism that are capable of giving rise to indefinitely more cells of the same type and from which other certain types of cells can rise by differentiation. And there's a broad spectrum of differentiation, as a stem cell could give rise to only one type of cell, or it could be a pluripotent stem cell that could give rise to multiple different types of cells. Stem cells can be classified into two main categories: embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells. And these cells can regenerate or repair injured or aging tissue, and scientists have been able to give patients new bladders, esophagi, and even repair stroke patients' brains. And the disease that plagues roughly 1 in 10 couples in the United States, according to the CDC, infertility. That's right, infertility shows hope to be treated by stem cells. So let's focus on the use of embryonic stem cells and induced pluripotent stem cells to create artificial gametes. In vivo, a group of mesodermal stem cells goes through extensive epigenetic remodeling and the reacquisition of pluripotency during gastrulation to form primordial germ cells, which will later, under the right conditions and at the right time, become gametes. Scientists decided to replicate this process in vitro by turning stem cells into primordial germ cells and inducing meiosis to create artificial gametes. The first evidence of germline development in vitro was through spontaneous differentiation of human embryonic stem cells. These cells express germ cell markers c-KIT and DASL, followed by VASA, which has been linked to meiotic entry control, and SYCP3. Differentiation efficiency to a gamete was improved by adding BMP cytokines and retinoic acid, which have been linked to induce meiosis. This led to partial meiotic progression to primordial germ cells with diploid DNA. Complete and correct meiotic progression was achieved by inducing ectopic expression of DAS gene family members in vitro outside of the gonadal niche. This means that that stem cell is now an artificial gamete with haploid DNA and is capable of giving life. However, for this to be a functioning sperm or oocyte, it must be tested, and they should be able to produce the main biological processes leading to fertilization and be able to produce a healthy embryo showing correct genetic and epigenetic reprogramming, as well as cleavage division and zygotic genome activation. The main challenges we face are maturing the oocyte correctly due to the complexity of that gamete and achieving correct epigenetic remodeling. Stem cells are the hope to couples that were rendered infertile due to a disease or same-sex couples that want a genetically related offspring. It can also be used in agriculture for animals that were rendered infertile, like Hea here, who have elite genetics and we want offspring from. Thanks for watching.